Here's one for you. If you are traveling and you are prone to forgetting things in the hotel room, here is what you do, Will. You take your most valuable items, and depending on how long you're traveling for, I presume in this case you have an extra pair of shoes with you. You take your valuables, you put them into one shoe, the things you absolutely cannot forget, and you place the other shoe out in the open. You then take the one shoe with the valuables in it and you put it in the safe in the hotel room. Now, when you go to pack up your stuff, this is the way the hack works, you see the one shoe sitting there and you never pack a single shoe. It must be a pair. So you say to yourself, where is the other shoe? And you go, yes. It's in the safe, which then unlocks the awareness and the location of the other valuables, which may be left behind. And there's a long list of those valuables. In some cases, those valuables are impossible to replace or extremely annoying to replace.
Okay.
Now, granted, I've heard plenty of other conspiracies about never putting your valuables in the safe in the hotel room.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Because that's the first place that a thief is drawn to, and they're like, well, that's where the valuables are. So hopefully the valuables aren't that valuable, because maybe those shouldn't even be left in a hotel room in the first place. But this tip comes via a flight attendant who has been using this tip in the past to not have this happen to them, and obviously has plenty of travel experience to know that things frequently get left behind, and is always looking for tiny little hacks to make sure that that doesn't happen as often. So